Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Faiza Sana here. Welcome you to the orientation class of second year English literature. There are two parts of this lecture. Here we are going to discuss about the syllabus and paper pattern. The first thing about the syllabus is that there is a play of William Shakespeare, The Merchant of Venice, and a novel by Thomas Hardy, The Mayor of Casterbridge. Then in grammar you have idioms, essay, comprehension passage, and précis. So moving on to the paper pattern. So in the paper of English literature, it's a 100 marks paper divided into 3 sections, section A, B and C. Section A is of 20 marks and is objective portion. Then in subjective there are 2 sections, section B and C. Section B is of 45 marks. And question number 2 is of reference to the context, which would be from The Merchant of Venice, the play. There would be 3 references given to you, contexts given to you, which you have to explain with the reference, and it is of 10 marks, 5 marks each. Then question number 3 is critical questions or thematic questions, again from the play. There are 2 parts of this question number 3. A part would be from the play. There would be 3 thematic questions and you have to answer 2 questions, each of 7 marks and total of 14 marks. B part would be from the novel. There would be 4 questions, 4 thematic questions from the novel, and you have to attempt only 3, and the total marks for question number 3 B part would be 21. Then moving on to section C, it is of 35 marks. Question number 4, 5 and 6 would be from your grammar portion. Question number 4 is of essay writing, where you have to write an essay of 300 to 350 words. There would be 2 topics given to you and you have to attempt only 1. And this question is of 15 marks. Then question number 5 is from the grammar portion of idioms. There would be 5 idioms and you have to make sentences of all 5 idioms, which would be of 1 mark each, and total question number 5 is of 5 marks. Then question number 6 is a comprehension passage. There would be 3 questions comprehended to this comprehension passage, and the last 4th question would be précis writing, which would be of 9 marks, and in total it is of 15 marks. And this is how the paper of English literature would be of 100 marks.